This is test number 1 in your testing instructions, and we're going to be testing for total hardness. So to start, make sure you've got your burette and that's evened out to the 0 ml mark. To do that, give it a gentle squeeze and pressure will level it out. Make sure you've got a clean mixing casserole dish, a 50 ml graduated cylinder, and of course your sample. Now to start, you're going to take your sample and you're going to fill your graduated cylinder to the 50 ml mark. Add your mixing dish. And you want to get a 1 ml squeeze of your HL2. If it goes a little bit over, that's okay. Drop that in. Now you're going to want to take 1 scoop of your HP3 powder. Pour that in. Now give this a mix. Now if the sample were to turn immediately blue or a purple tint, that's going to indicate 0 hardness in your sample. As you can see here, that's more of a pinkish red tint. It means we're going to titrate. And when we titrate, that's how we're going to figure out how much total hardness is in this sample. And to do so, you're going to want to level out your burette. Right here we've got 1 ml, 2 ml, 3 ml, and so on. If we find ourselves in between that 0 mark and that 1 mark, or between 1 and 2, you can take it to the 0.2 level, and we're going to multiply by a factor of 20. So we've got our hard sample here. And to titrate, you're going to take this squeeze and start to drop, and as you do so, that level in that burette's going to drop as well. And go slow. We're mixing. Still pinkish red, still pinkish red. Still pinkish red. As you can see there, it's starting to turn more of a purple bluish tint. And at which point you're going to stop titrating and take the reading off of your burette. In this case, we're going to call that 1.5, and again we're multiplying by a factor of 20. So 1.5 times 20 is going to give you 30. So you have 30 ppm of hardness in this sample. Now for our next sample, I'm going to show you that more instant blue turning within the mixture. So first step, get rid of the sample, wash it out with distilled water. We're going to do this in between each of our tests, making sure we got a clean mixing surface. Give that a good rinse. And we're going to do that procedure over again. We take our 50 ml graduated cylinder, fill it up to the 50 ml mark. Into our mixing dish. 1 ml of HL2, so just give that little rubber tip a squeeze. 1 ml mark. Push that in. We're going to take 1 scoop of our HP3. Mix that in as well. And once you give that a mix, as you're going to see, that sample immediately turns blue, indicating 0 ppm of hardness in this sample.